everybody, and welcome to Frank Pali Photography. Today I wanted to show you a quick tutorial on selective color in Lightroom CC. And without further ado, let's go and jump over into Lightroom and let's get started. So in Lightroom, find your image that you want to do some selective coloring. In this case, I'm going to choose my frog and take it over into Develop module. Now this image has been totally processed. It's ready. I wanted to do everything to it. It's been done. But I wanted to kind of remove the color here. So come over to Develop. Come over and hit your brush. It drops down a set of effects in here. And on these sliders down here, if they're all at different settings, you can reset by double clicking on your effects, and it'll reset those brushes. So you come down part way where you find your saturation, you do -100. You take all the saturation right out of this image. And as you see, not much has happened. You come back up here to your radial dial, and you just kind of pick your spot at the edge of the image over here. You just make a little circle, and what it does is it removes that color from that image. You come back over to the brush, you hit your brush size, you come down to your settings, where your brush settings are, and let me just open that up. And in there, you can adjust your brush size accordingly, you know, depending on your object. But here, probably about a 7 is more than enough for me. So when I come over here, you just do your erase. Have your feather at 100, your flow at 100. Actually, I'm going to take the feathering down a little bit here. But your flow is 100. I'm going to uncheck the auto mask and come over onto your image. And you just start brushing away on your image. And as you can see, very quickly, it starts coming back. Now, careful not to go over the edge at this point, because you'll get a spillover in the color. So now you can come back. Once you've kind of got most of it done, is just hit your auto mask. And you can see there's a little minus sign in the center. And long as you keep that minus under the image, the outline of the image, you will not get a spillover on color on there. So just keep it just at the edge on the inside, and the feathering will all work out just wonderful all the way around it, and there's going to be no spillage. And yeah, so you just got, and there you have color, selective color in Adobe Lightroom, as quick as that. Pretty simple, easy to do, and now you can just go print this, you can show this, it's all ready to go, and that's it. And click done, and you've got a wonderful image with selective color. Thanks for watching Frank Pali Photography, and we'll see you on the next Lightroom tutorial.